Alright, hey, this is Shawnat, and here's a quick video about teleportation. Well, we're not doing anything crazy here today. We're only teleportating my mouse and keyboard, sort of like a virtual KVM switch. So here I have my MacBook Pro 17-inch of glory and my Mac Mini. And up here, as you can see, I have my teleportation software up. Pretty much all you have to do is install the software in both your Mac and Mac Mini and make sure that they're on the same network. And pretty much every time now I come home, I'm just going to come here and just dock my computer and say go up to this part right here and just say, share this Mac, and it should be up and running. And then simply what I can do is, if you notice my mouse, I'm just going to take it. Whoa! That's up here. Down here. Up here. Down here. And the keyboard teleports as well. So notice that I have this one keyboard going up to my Mac Mini. And we're going to go ahead and type Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. And Google search Hello Kitty for me. This is a video about teleportation. Hope you enjoyed it. This is one of the nifty stuff we found. You can check them out at teleportation, or you can just Google teleport for Mac and you'll see it there. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you download it. That's about it. Bye.